these are the ingredients needed to make this green tomato chutney. So in here I have red wine vinegar and malt vinegar, brown sugar, sea salt, black pepper, green tomatoes, green chilies. In here I have 3 dates, raisins and craisins, which are just cranberry raisins, onions, garlic. Other things you require are some jars. I've got some just old jam jars and a NutriBullet or a blender, any sort of blender. I'll first start off by preparing the veg. So I've got some onions which I will put into the blender. And I'll add a little bit of the liquid just to help it blend a bit easier. Turns out the NutriBullet isn't the best option for this, so I've turned to my trusted little blender and I'm going to pulse it to the desired size. I want it quite minced and this is what it looks like so far. When it's ready, I'm just going to pop it into the pan. I'm using the back of the knife, by the way. So I'm getting my dates, my raisins and my craisins. Blitzing that up a bit. I don't like chunky raisins in my chutney. If they're still big like these chunks, I'll just take them out and chop them up a little. Chilies already been washed. I'm going to keep the seeds in because I want a bit of pepper in it. Cut off the tops and the ends. And that's in with my garlic. Tomatoes, when they're really big, I'm just going to cut them a little. I don't think I'm going to blitz these. This recipe, by the way, I found on a website. The link is in the description. I've adapted it a little. But my inspiration came from that, so all the information is down in the description. I'm going to blitz some of them, not all. I want it quite chunky, and it's going to reduce anyway. If you've got a bigger blender, obviously you can put more in at a time, but seeing as I have this will just have to do. These are the green tomatoes that I've harvested, by the way, from the garden. These are the end of season tomatoes. As you can see, some have been turning red, so I wanted to make a chutney before they oh, sugar. With this, I'm being pretty rough with the blending, because I know that they will just break down by themselves. And the rest I'm just going to chuck in, because these are the smaller tomatoes. I'll chop that up a little. So these are all the, not all of the ingredients, but most of it. I've got my white wine vinegar and my malt vinegar in here, which I'll just pour in. And my brown sugar. All the weights are going to be in the description. Salt and pepper. I'll give that a good mix. Of course, I have to show you that I do actually scrape out the rest of the ingredients, because, you know, we don't waste in my household, and I feel like in a lot of black households too, so I have to show you the real things. So today I'm just mixing it up, and then I'm going to wait till it boils and then put the lid on, and I think it will take an hour to kind of break down. It should turn nice and golden brown when it's nearly done. It's starting to boil, so this is when I put my lid on and wait an hour on low. So it's done. An hour's gone by. Oh, it's looking a bit crispy actually. I think let me turn that right off. I think the fire was a little high, so I know what to do for next time. As I don't have a canning colander, I'm going to just spoon the mixture into a glass. It smells really lovely. I can't wait to try it. Thank you for watching this video. I would love to hear your feedback on this recipe, and of course of your inspirations and how you've jazzed it up in your own way. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.